Just a disrespectful. Are we going? Just wanna. Let's see. Yo. Just ha interlude. All right, so it did hit my point of interest, but like this is a good sell spot for me, but we just gonna go for today. So today, as you can see, price did what it wanted to do. So even if you come at like 10, you probably could get something to here. So somewhere, so what 9:30 happened. Either you get somewhere like right here. I say if it's 10, so let's see. It's not breaking highs. You see it's respecting its support area. So I'm thinking it wants to go lower. All we doing, you can see on the 4 hour, it's dropping. All it's doing is dropping right now. Yes, don't get me wrong. It can go up. Higher high, lower low, higher high. It just broke a lower low. But this was the low. Maybe support can hold this. I don't like how this look. You see how it's high high, lower low. It filled in this gap. Came here. What they want to break this support area. And as you can see, even on lower time frames, we come here. Let's go to 15. So here comes here. It breaks structure ever. So even it breaks new. Now you see that. As you can see, look at this. It's never really breaking structure. Never really breaking. Never really breaking. And then look. So this was probably the best buy in world history. Oh man, we wrong time frame. So you see is empty spots. Even so, you can see it doesn't want to break higher highs. So look, as it's making little lows, you see, we're in an uptrend. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. We're in an uptrend. This is the fact. It's the fact. It's not going up. Yes, we are in an uptrend. This is the lowest of the low. So my TP was right here. Perfect TP. If it went lower, I'm not too sure. But I'm going where my TP at. I don't want to be too greedy. It's in a long-term uptrend, but as the fall was showing me, it's dropping. So I'm just following what the market is giving me. Just follow what the market gives you. So look, the last yesterday it dropped. Just really just look at it. Don't try to force nothing. Like really stop forcing. Like you see how Monday it dropped, but Monday I thought it's in an uptrend. It doesn't want to go up. Boom. It's making low lows, low lows, low lows. So look, it comes in the New York session, low. Nothing. Like I said, if it does buy, but it's not buying. Look, it's not breaking. It's not breaking. It comes back up. It's still not breaking. It's still not breaking. So I'm like, hey, if price don't want to break, I don't want to buy. I don't want to follow the trend. The trend on the long term right now, on this day, is telling us it's selling right now. Like right here, we could be like, okay, it's selling because look how it's just making new lows. We got the market at precise entry. So you see it's not breaking support area, making low lows, not breaking the higher highs, and then we sell off right here today. It look beautiful sell off. Comes here, it wicks out. We don't want it to get right here, but I seen this wick. I just entered off this wick because I was confident. I was very confident in this wick. This was once I hit the line, I put it at break even. Never hit break even. Went back to the 3.4. I just started a challenge yesterday, and this was my first trade of the day. And so I'm really proud of how I'm about to just beat this challenge. It's going to be simple. If you just follow structure, follow good strategy, this was probably beautiful. But now for tomorrow, what we'll be looking at, like I said, overall, I still think it can buy, like I said, but we're just following the market. If I see it break up the high structure and it's holding, so it's holding price, you see, I'm good. My boy was good. Like I said, I just entered this challenge, did my first entry on this challenge again, man. Man, I got some good news, man. We talking about loans. We talking about new challenges. I'm going back to my old roots. I'm just waiting on my. I'm not doing no 5 minutes shit and quick scalping. I'm going back to my old ways. You feel me? But look at this sell today. Nice sell. We gonna see what market does tomorrow. If it does, it does. But right now, it's telling me it's selling right now. But like I said, we want to stay in bad bias. Like, if it comes from here and I see structure, I'm gonna just hold up to here and just pass the challenge. I don't really care to fucking. I don't really care to what's this shit called? I can't keep taking too much fucking setup. So if it comes out of here, I'm still for some buys. Like, it gotta show me some type of buy bias right here. It can't go up tomorrow. Like, don't get me wrong, it can't go up tomorrow, but like, let me see. Like, let's look at the 4 hour. So, yeah, you can tell it's still kind of in this range and area. But as you can see, boom, boom, boom. If it breaks structure, I think it might go down to here, and it might still be in this range and structure. But look, high. Don't get me wrong, US 30 is in this high, but look how the last, since Monday, it's been selling. Monday, they didn't want to go back up, so Monday didn't want to go back up, so we just going to sell today, you feel me? And then, you see, today, they didn't want to go back up. This is my TP, that shit hit beautifully. That shit hit with the flying colors right here. I was like, I'm not going to be greedy. I think the TP right here, I'm not going to cap to you. I think, I'm like, okay, support is holding here a lot of times. But boom, 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 boom. I think if it come past here, it might just keep going up. But hopefully price can't come to here. But that shit didn't even touch stop loss. I'm fucking 2.5% on the count. That shit easy. So gold, let's look at gold. Gold can't do much of nothing. Gold is in the cycle too. But gold really didn't do much of nothing. Like, look at this joint. Like, look at gold. So gold, we had to sell it. It was no place to sell it, in all honesty. Like, you see Monday, we go Friday. You see Monday is a big drop. This is just retracement, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like, this is no place to sell. Like, this is the best place you can sell. But looking right here, what it did today, that shit look nasty. So I could enter right here. If I really wanted to enter, I would want to enter some shit like that here. And probably, I wouldn't want to make the stop loss right here. But that's where it stopped. Make it this high, but let's see TP. Like, TP probably would have been to, let's see. Let's go to a 4 hour. I took my first TP right there, though. Yeah. TP would have been out of here. Real TP would have been here. I would have took profits right here. Or I would have closed that break even. I would have stopped, turned it to break even. Hell yeah. Wow, this is nice. And then you can see on higher time frame, look at this. You can't tell this ain't a good trade. This is a good trade, though. No, you can't tell me this is not a good trade. So, it's a little bit more confirmation. I want to see a break of the structure back down to the downside. Like, this is the low term. Like, I want to enter just a low sell right here, just close. And then my TP, my first TP, my yellow box, as you can see. Second TP, right here. Because the overall trend, you can see it's bad, but you can see it's been ranging since April. So we just on a longer time frame. You see it, look, it's just been ranging. It's just been ranging, and look, it high, low, obstruction. This was the low. Boom. This was the low. Because it made a new high. This was the low thing. Once it broke here, now it's making low. So we just going with the trend. And then this was the Like, look, we're just going with the trend. Like, look, this is the trend. Boom. It breaks out, and then it can just go back down. Like, okay, so my low, high, low. So this is the lowest low. This is the high. If it breaks higher and it just comes up here, goes around and comes here, it's going to here at least. Maximum is going to here. So like me, I just didn't enter it. Like, once I hit my weight, it hit my like 10:55, 11. And then I wanted to see that because it saw come in. I was like, press the play low key a little bit and then come back down, not breaking this support area. Keep tapping it. You see? Tap, don't break, tap, don't break, tap, don't break. Made it low. Plays around this area, showing me some type of support is not breaking back up to here. I would have sold here, first TP, second TP, and overall is the range. So tomorrow, I am looking to sell, but if it show me bad momentum, I just gotta change my values. That's it. Nas. Today, I really didn't care for Nas. Nas was simply, you can simply buy it. It was one place you can buy it, and it was right here early in the morning. This was probably the best time of out. Because as you can see, let's go. I'm gonna delete some of this stuff. As you can see, look, it's making highs. This is the high, breaks high. This made a high. You're looking at Monday. This is the high of Monday. It breaks the high of Monday, not even in New York session. It's not even in New York session. So once it breaks the high, it still can be classified as a high because it's not breaking a low. This is right here is where the low is of the low. It's not really breaking it, but if it does break it, it just breaks it. So let's look at the 4 hour. You see 4 comes here, high to the high, low, high, not breaking support. So at price, at least if it wants to break this support and then show me sell momentum, like it's showing me sell momentum on the smaller time frame, I gotta go into here. I gotta go into here. Literally, you see it up. You see, because sometimes it can. You see how it's not just breaking structure. Like this is the low, high, low, high, low, high. Once the break doesn't break, high, low, high, low, high. I'm looking for structure for what it is. So that's how I'm looking at it, man. I used to always trade like this. I just looked at it. It's actually easy. I look at it. I think I started on 2021, 2020, and I was making money back then. Just let's see, hold up. Let me reload this. Hold on. Man, my junk. Hold up. Alright, boom. Alright, so what fucked me up? See? So this was probably the like you can still buy. Don't get me wrong, you can still buy. Because look, on a 4 hour, it's not really telling me it wants to sell. Because look, this is the lowest of the low. You buy it to at least here. Let's look at the. It's making higher highs. Don't get me wrong. Let's see how like all right, sell, comes up. Once the sell comes up, it doesn't make no sell momentum. You see, it's not making no sell momentum. It can still buy. Look, boom, boom. Doesn't want to like so. Can you change it to sell? I personally wouldn't. Like me personally, it did sell today, but personally, I wouldn't want to sell. Like, yes, you can sell to here. If you want to be some type of professional and catch every fucking move, you probably could have sold to here, somewhere down here to here. I wouldn't have want to do that. We're just looking for buys now. So boom, and the best buy was right here because you can see you can look for buys on the 5 minute or the 15 minute. So look. So as you can see, it's hit here, it hit here, it hit here. Once it hit here, you can see price, it just keeps hitting the same area. You can see price just keep hitting the same area. So it comes in. Look how much areas you could just enter. Like look. How much areas you could just enter. It comes in. I don't know where would you take this though. Like you probably could have put stop loss right here. Like I don't know where would you take it. Like look, you put stop loss right here. This is the max you could have got is a 3-1, but look how high the market is. It's already at its peak. So you don't really know where to take it. We just know it didn't want to break structure and it came up. So now we're at a new high. So all I want to do is draw a new high. So this is the new high. This was the low. Fuck the low now. This was the new low. on a higher time frame. Even look, let's go on a 4. 4 high, low, broke high. This is new structure, low, and now you can see we can look for some type of buys. So until price wants to break, until price wants to break, until price wants to break certain area, like you can see, price wants to break here. What's good? What's good, my boy? Hey, I caught that 30. I know you seen the 30 John I was just talking about, man. I killed 30 today. Gold looking good too. I'm telling you, I'm about to make some real money, bro. Money coming in, man. I'm good. So hell yeah. Look at this. So where is 30 at? I just showed it. Oh, it's the wrong 30. Yeah, look at this nice yeah, I'm gonna just keep my crypto portfolios. I'm leaving that shit alone. I'm gonna wait for another year, bro. I don't give a fuck about the crypto. So yeah, this shit was taxable. Cause I'm like, it's going up. You see, Monday it sold off. Didn't want to go back up. Tuesday, I'm like, bro, it still don't want to go back up. I could have gotten, but I didn't want to be greedy. You know, your boy didn't want to be greedy. You know, I didn't want to be too greedy. Got the TP right here. I could have got the TP right here, but I didn't want to be too greedy. Cause look, once it hit this first line, I like right here. I was like, let me just put it at break even. I ain't taking no profits. I just started the challenge. If it go back to break even, I don't give a fuck. And then it went here. I said, yeah, I'm good. I'm good. So now what I'm trying to do, I want to see US 30. If it keep making lower lows here and start making bullish revenue, I'm gonna just hold to this. I'm gonna just hold this bitch. Yeah, because I don't think it's gonna go lower than this. If it do, it just do. But I ain't tripping. But I don't want it to. Like if it just start making bullish revenue over here, I'm gonna just hold this bitch until I pass. I don't even care if it go back to. I'm gonna just hold it. Yeah, yeah. You talking about the area, right? Yeah, I don't think it's gonna go too much lower. Like right here, let's see some bullish momentum. Like low lows, you see, it can sell. Like me, I'm thinking it can keep selling, but right now I'm gonna just stay sell bias until I see buy bias. Right now, it's just selling. Like if it come up, start making higher highs, boom, higher highs. I'm gonna just probably just hold it, bitch. But I really wanted to come to here. I sell off some more gold. I didn't enter this gold one, so let me delete it. I wanted to enter gold today, but gold was just looking fucking nasty today. Gold didn't do a bunch of nothing. Like I was going to enter right here off the sale, but I'm like, bro, I'm not about to take this shit. It just looked like when I seen this, but I think gold is going to drop. Look how it's looking. It looked like it want to just drop. Like boom, 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 boom. Hopefully tomorrow I can get if price don't break here tomorrow and it's still somewhere in this area or even somewhere in this area. Look at all these points I could catch. I think price gonna go up to here for gold. Um. Oh yeah, you know what's crazy too, man? I analyzed Tesla like 4 days ago. I was like, bro, I seen when I analyzed it, I seen like three niggas I know. They was like, I bought Tesla. Like I didn't even tell them. This was like a week ago. I said, bro, if I was fucking trading Tesla, I'd just buy that shit right now. And then that shit just skyrocket. Like, let me show you. Let me see Tesla. I know. Because I know yeah, you love the Tesla. You love it. Like, where was Tesla at? It was like a week ago. I'm like, damn. I'm like, where Tesla at, man? Fuck all this shit. I was just playing around. But nah, so where the fuck was Tesla? What the hell? I said, where was Tesla at? This was like last week. Oh, I think it was like right here. Yeah, 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 yeah. It was like right here. Watch this. It was somewhere last week. Was it? Yeah, it was like around here. It was this is live. No, 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 no. It was last week. That's the 10th. Once it came down to here, let me see. Boom, 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 break, boom, break, boom, break, boom. I think it was this day. I was like, if I was y'all, I'd just buy a Tesla. Because I'm seeing sell, sell, sell. I'm like, it's not going to keep selling. Yeah, 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 yeah. I would have bought like Tesla, like probably like right here. And then I was like, hold Tesla to here. Shit. Never came up there, but shit, look how much you would have went up. That's why I was like, buy Tesla. I think it was last week. Yeah, last week I was like, I just buy Tesla and just hold it. Granted, you can buy it here. This was a good buy. Granted. Hell yeah, this would have been a good buy. This would have been a super good buy. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Hell yeah. No, think about it. Come back. Come up. Yeah, I would have bought somewhere like, or you probably could have bought this. I'd have did some shit like this. But I won't. I didn't go back too far off Tesla. On Tesla, yeah, I probably would have said, mm, no, I'm not. I wouldn't have did this. I'd have like if it just go down, just go down. Like these the buys I would have took off. If I was trading Tesla, this is the shit I would have took. I would have took one. What day was this? Thursday, and I would have took one. Damn. Oh, and Friday. So shit, I would have took two on Friday. What's today? Today is Tuesday. Yeah, I would have took this happened Friday. Yeah, I would have took this shit Friday, the end of Friday, and I would have took this shit the end of Thursday. I got it going up to here though. I got Tesla going up. I got Tesla going up. I don't know. I was looking at Tesla one day. I was just marking, I was just playing with it. I'm like, damn, Tesla look good or low key. Tesla look real good. But you can see, bro, Tesla look good. Like, you could have bought right here. I would have bought right here. I marked it up. Yeah, I was like, damn, if I was niggas, I'd have bought right here. I would have bought all last week. Shit, I wouldn't have bought this. Maybe I would have bought something right here to here. Low key, I think this shit is gonna go far up. I ain't even gonna hold you. Now I'll take this as the safe one though. Like I'll play it safe and hold it here. Maybe it's not gonna go up no more. Because as you can see, look, it's making lows, lows, lows. This is the highest, but it looked like it wants to squeeze out. It's gonna pop though. The shit gonna pop up. I think Tesla about to make a run. I think Tesla about to make a run. Hell yeah. Like it might come back to here. Like if I was a long term holder, like a 5 month holder type ass nigga, I just buy here, wait till it come to here. There's a nice area right here. And Tesla it's time for Tesla to go up. It's really time. Like, yeah, yeah. Like if it doesn't break this shit, like down here, let's like if Tesla don't want to break this shit, I'm just holding it here. I don't want to be no, yeah, I'd hold Tesla to here. Now I'm gonna look at Nas. What the hell Nas did today? I won't really too fond of Nas today. I would have had one buy, but I didn't really like the buys. You can see it's making higher highs, higher highs. I marked my areas where I think price shouldn't go below, but I mark and I do got areas I think price should go. As you can see, the thing about this buy, I wanted to buy so bad right here, my nigga. I wanted to buy so bad, but I'm like, where the fuck price is gonna go? I really said that shit. Like I was thinking about buying today, Nas. That's crazy how I sold US 30. And that's why I really didn't buy Nas either. Cause I sold 30 and buying Nas. You know how sometimes Nas and US correlate, but the shit, it kind of correlated today. Cause when did I sell US 30? Like 10, 11? When did I sell that shit? Yeah, around like the 930 candle. Like after like 940. Yeah, around like here, I sold the bitch. I ain't even give a fuck about 930 candle. Cause I'm like, I did kind of care because I'm like, bro, if I enter the 930 and this shit wicks and it comes down, because that's what it might do. That's what I was thinking in my head. Once it came down to here, oh, I knew it was gonna come down here, but I just put that break even because you know the 930 candle. I ain't really gonna trade. I don't know. I'll be wanting to trade at 10, but I probably could have traded 10 here to here at most. But that shit would have happened quick. Like enter here, make stop loss here, take profit. That would have been a 3-to-1 too, low key. Like this probably would have been a 3-to-1 because look, I'm trying to think. Nah, I don't even know where I would have entered this bitch. I don't even know where I would have entered. Nah, you right. I wouldn't even. I'm trying to think where would I even enter. I would probably want price to come back up a little more, but it won't no place to enter if I waited. Gold didn't do shit. 30. This was a good buy, but I just didn't. I really didn't know where to exit on this bitch. I really didn't know. I'm like, damn. I was like, if I buy here, I think it's gonna wake up. And I was thinking of sales in 30, so I'm like, bro, I see more sales on 30 than buys on Nas because Nas is already at all peak highs. So I'm like, I'm gonna leave Nas alone and I'm gonna stick with 30. But I was right on both biases because Nas went up, 30 sold off. Gold, I wanted to sell here, but I think gold won't sell the fuck off though tomorrow. And then yeah, that's the three joints I took today. Um I was gonna draw more columns. I've been posting some stats on Trading View. Niggas starting to fuck with it. I started posting a little like commentary, what I think the market gonna do. I had to go back to my roots, try to do a little networking, show niggas I'm good at trading. So I'm gonna just start making money though. I was thinking about the loan situation. I'm gonna just pass this challenge doing what I do. I'm already 3% up. Let me stop bullshitting. I'm done trading. Let me trade how I used to trade. I just used to look at fucking structure. If it was selling, I was selling with it. It's not breaking odds, and it wants to sell. Fuck it. I'm selling with the higher time frame. I'm gonna just scale down to the lower jumps and enter off the time frame. That's how I look at it. You can see the bars like those. You can avoid, now and selling on. You see. I'm just looking at like if I was thinking like the old me, I'm just looking at structure, bro. I just I had to tell myself just look at structure. Like even say like this. Even here, you could have sold, come here, sold again. Doesn't want to break. You can look how much times you can sell. Like this is a fucking sell as of right now. Yes, I'm telling you, yes, it's a buy. Don't get me wrong, because it's not breaking this, but look how it's just selling. You sell, boom, sell, boom. Yes, overall trend is buy because you looking at like, okay, when to enter this bitch, because just go down on a smaller time frame. Like, look, Like, look how much times you could sell. Sell, bitch. Sell, bitch. Sell. 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 Like, and then when it's time to buy, breaks, come here. Uh, let's go to, like, I'm not even, this, like, I just start looking at structure. So, boom, breaks, come here, probably enter right here. Nice little entry. You see, it's not breaking higher highs on a higher time frame. So, if you was just a patient ass motherfucker, uh, there was no really time to buy. Like, in all honesty, it was no fucking time to buy today. Like, there is no reason to buy right here, unless you just want to test support. Fine, but I'm just looking at structure. So it's coming up. I'm like, all right, it doesn't want to break this. This was the low when it pushed up. Let's buy right here. I probably would have took this bitch to the high. Take this bitch to the high. Drag this down shit to the low. Nice 2 to 7. I would have finessed it and made it 3. I would have finessed it and made it 3R. And this shit happened in a day. And look, matter of fact, it came up higher than here. Now it's making lows. You see lows? This was the low. That's why I said I don't know what the fuck gonna go on tomorrow. Hopefully, this is just, it could just be some fake out shit. Like, wait, if I see start waking up, because this is that low and it broke out from here. Then this is another low right here. It came. No, I can't do it off that low. So low. All right, the higher time frame. This ain't no damn low. You see how the higher time frame is just dropping? I need to see a retracement and then a drop and then break out a retracement and then go back to the 5 minute and then find it and then get one of these support areas. Like, when I was trading like this shit was easy. I was just thinking, bro, this shit gonna take a long time. Some days I gotta hold for 2 days, 3 days, but fuck it. You get to that point, shit, I want to hold for 2, 3 days. I was tired of whipping out my phone, working, doing a bunch of bullshit, and I gotta keep entering trades. So I was like, bro, I'm gonna just stick to this. And then that 30 shit took quick today, too low key. I looked at it, just put the stop loss, went on about my day. That shit was easy. So that's the I ain't really got nothing else to do, but 30. Hopefully I just see um price just hopefully I just see price low key. I would still sell, but I would sell hard. I'm selling hard until price shows me on a higher time frame something goes up. Like, maybe it can still show it. Like, I'm not taking this as a fucking high. Let it come up and then come here and then break something here, and then I'll probably just take it to here. I'll probably take buys to here. But if it just showing me boom, 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 boom till tomorrow, oh, best believe I'm gonna fucking sell. I'm gonna just, hey, I think it might sell. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not gonna be on those dumb shit. If the market going down, I'm gonna just sell with it. But like, I'm gonna just wake up tomorrow. I'm gonna see what the hell it does. Like, if it's up here and it's not breaking no fucking lows or no higher highs, and it's retracing back down, I'm gonna just sell. But if it comes back up, I'm gonna have to buy. I just don't know where. I just know guarantee. So gold, gold. I wanted to enter here, but something about gold is telling me the real move gonna happen tomorrow. The real move gonna happen tomorrow. And then Nas can still be somewhat acceptable. All Nas gotta do is break this, find some high, find some break this, find the high. If it breaks somewhere right here, after you can fucking fly knife that leash right here. This is a good TP. And then yeah, that's all I got for today though. But yeah, that's all I got. And yeah, man. Like, comment, subscribe, and we out of here, baby.